Welcome to another short from the Vet Med Digest. Today, we delve into the latest findings on hearing loss, starting with diagnosis. Definitive diagnosis of deafness, whether partial or complete, requires objective electrodiagnostic testing, primarily the brainstem auditory evoked response, or brainstem auditory evoked potential, because behavioral evaluations are unreliable in detecting the severity or presence of loss. In dogs, the most common form is congenital sensorineural deafness, often linked to white pigmentation. This condition affects up to 30% of Dalmatians globally. A comprehensive genome-wide meta-analysis identified a single, well-defined genome-wide significant risk haplotype near the melanocyte-inducing transcription factor gene on canine chromosome 20. Dogs found to be homozygous for this high-risk haplotype were approximately 10 times more likely to be bilaterally deaf compared to those with a low-risk haplotype. Genetic testing using this information may now assist breeders in reducing the number of deaf Dalmatians. Feline hereditary deafness, often associated with dominant blue eyes and minimal white spotting, is linked to variants in the paired box3 gene. A new frameshift variant was identified in the paired box3 gene in the Agostino, Maine Coon line. Previous research associated a different paired box3 variant in the Rosairi Elvis line with deafness, but a follow-up study of 10 tested cats from that line found none were deaf, illustrating the variability in how these genetic factors express the phenotype. Beyond inherited conditions, age-related hearing loss is the most prevalent sensorineural disorder in older adults and is multifactorial. Rare variants in Mendelian hearing loss genes contribute significantly to this etiology. One novel gene associated with age-related hearing loss in humans is twinflin1, which was previously implicated in deafness in Dalmatian dogs. Finally, early-onset deafness triggers compensatory cross-modal plasticity in the brain. Structural magnetic resonance imaging of perinatally deafened cats revealed an overall increase in the density of structural connections across the cortex. This structural reorganization is characterized by strengthened correlations between the auditory and visual cortices, indicating that deprived auditory regions are repurposed to enhance the remaining senses, specifically vision. This structural finding corroborates behavioral evidence of enhanced visual function in deaf cats. Thank you for listening. The link for the full podcast is below. Remember to like, share, and subscribe if you enjoy this kind of material. From Vet Med Digest, where we keep minds inspired, hearts light, and tails wagging. Listening. The link for the full podcast is below. Remember to like, share, and subscribe if you enjoy this kind of material. From Vet Med Digest, where we keep minds inspired, hearts light, and tails wagging.